Hey guys, just want to do a quick video update here on this severe weather potential for the southern plains and Midwest as we head into Tuesday. I think is going to be the day that we really need to watch, and things have actually ramped up from what we were looking at yesterday. And first of all, I'll show you where the 60-degree dew point line is here, and that's this orange area here. This is the 60-degree dew point area. This here. So you can see this has expanded quite a bit northward from what we had yesterday. Yesterday was pretty much confined south of here, and now you can see that clearly it's much further north. And this all in here, this is 65 plus in here, and that's 65, and then here's 70 all the way down through here. So this chunk down here is 70-degree dew point air. So there's a lot of fuel available for this system, and we're looking here too at the pressures. And again, wherever you're below about 1,012, definitely below 1,008 millibars, you're looking at the potential for severe weather in those high dew point areas. So this is our 1,000. This is 1,004, 1,008, 1,012. Here's our 1,012 line here, and here's our 1,008 in there. So that's below 1,008 millibars, and these high dew points. This is certainly an area that you want to be watching for severe weather, and just based on that alone, I'd be thinking probably looking at a large area of slight risk up through here, and potentially a moderate risk down in this area here is what I'm thinking could very well be warranted if this plays out the way the GFS is showing. And there's a lot more features too that add into that. And here's first of all, we'll look at the low level jet. This is 900. This is 925 millibars, and look at this jet coming in. Just a very strong jet feeding moisture in off of the Gulf of Mexico and adding instability as well. And this is about a 50 plus knot jet of 925 millibars up in here. Now the instability up in here isn't going to be quite as good as it is back here, and I'll show you why when we get a little bit forward here. But we'll go up through the atmosphere here. Here's our 850 millibar jet, and again, very strong low-level jet feeding in to that area of high moisture. And that is definitely an earmark of severe weather potential. Go up to the mid-levels. Here's our 700 millibar, 500, 300 millibars. Now, this is important here, and this is why I'm saying that the instability won't be quite as good up here as it is back here. And here's our 300 millibar jet, and you break it into your quadrants, and up here we're in the right front quadrant, which is an area of convergence, and so you tend to get less instability. But back here in the right rear quadrant, we're looking at divergence, and that's where you're going to get instability. And you can see here we do have divergence going on back here with the wind flow in that area. And so again, I'm thinking that this area in here is going to be the prime area for some pretty nasty severe weather. And again, I'll show you once again, if you notice, you go up through the atmosphere, you're seeing that twisting with the wind. I mean, I think that's pretty clear. Here our winds are like this. They're coming like that. And we get up to 850 millibars, and 850 millibars. Now they're coming out of the west-southwest. Now they're coming more like that. And then you go up further, and they continue to turn clockwise as you go up through the atmosphere. By the time you get up to 300 millibars, they're like this. So you've gone from this to this. I mean, that's very obvious, very clear shear going on there. So I'd be certainly worried about the potential for tornadoes as well down in this area here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at with this. I think this is going to be a pretty significant severe weather outbreak. This is being consistent now for several runs, and we'll see if that continues to be the case, if other models start picking up on it. But I think that this is going to be quite an outbreak coming up on Tuesday. That's it for now. Talk to you later.